PA Lead Slinger here today. Today is January 25th, 2026. Just outside looking around a little bit. Let's see how much snow we got. I'd say we got about 8 to 10 inches, and it's still coming down pretty good. So I might try to get out here and do a little bit of shooting. It's about 22 degrees in southwestern PA. Hope everybody's doing okay and staying warm. Yeah, I'm trying to get some videos in today, maybe. We'll see. Let's see what can happen. Looking for any coyotes. Probably not going to see them, but they're out there. They've been giving me a little bit of problems here and there. So one day I might have to take care of it. All right, everybody, have a good Sunday.